Paradise Beach with Mac, my friend from
Germany. How are you?
It's okay, fine.
How are you today?
So yeah, nice to see you.
Pogi,
Where do we go?
handsome boy.
Oh, thank you very much.
And also Mac is handsome boy. Taga kami sa nagtour ko sila sa Paradise, Subong. Paradise Beach. $100 stiff. Mga kamortex. Brother Mac. Morning. Welcome to Paradise Beach.
Thank you very much.
Paradise Beach. With Mac. With Julian. Very nice rock formation.
Yeah. How often do you come here?
Huh?
How often do you come here? How many times do you go here?
Maybe 4.
4 times?
Yes.
A month? A year? Can you drink this water?
No,
Drinking?
because not sure or clean or
Okay.
bad water. That's why I not drink.
But
But
it's not salty. It's
hey, try. Salt.
salt
Yes,
from the rocks.
from the rocks.
Okay.
Hindi siya mga kamarso. So maglagaw ka mo din sa Manuyod Paradise Beach. Hari kami subong dio. Mga damo, mga rock formation. Kamu nga makita.
Samla ein bisschen Wasser, dass sich in der Höhle sammelt. Und dann wächst was dran.
Yeah, so.
Go to the Jubilee House.
You go to Jubilee's house?
Walk.
How far is this?
Maybe 1,000 meters. Dagat. Mga kamartex. Nandun siya ang rock formation, yung ginagawa naman. Ang dagat. 20 pesos lang ang entrance. No problem. Brother Mac. Vortex. Kung gusto nyo maglagaw mo di, bantaan nyo lang ang tao, hunas. Kaya para makalagaw ka mo sa hilid sa dagat. Ginator ko sa buong. Man. Pataod na.
What are you going to go to? Wow, wait.